Okay, I removed the tape from the body that I put on yesterday, and as you can see we have still some rests of the tape that I'm going to remove as the next step. Now that every dirt is gone, we are going to do the next step. I hope you can see it. We still have some little seams here and there, and therefore we are going to use this little piece of sandpaper. And when we are ready and she's smooth on the edges, we are going to use a little bit of paint. And we feel where it's not smooth, and we're doing and just feel if it's smooth, and when it's smooth, stop and go to the next seam. Here it's not so important because you won't see it later on the arm knob here, because the arm gets over the knob and then it's gone. It's disappearing forever. That's no problem. For the next steps, the hip knobs, we are going to knead the legs themselves, because the upper parts of the knobs are still in the legs, and how we get them out of there, that's the next thing I'm going to show you. You already know the scenery. We have a bowl of hot water, a towel, the legs, and we are going to put the legs in there for a minute or two. Und komm da raus. Et voilà. Again, we are using our MEK for reattaching the little knobs here and here, and then let her dry for another night. Okay. My dear friends, one day passed by and we are almost done with our repair. One of the things missing is the little flower on her back. And in the next step I'm going to show you how to set the thing in place again. Okay, my dear friends, the next step is mixing the right color for the body. I just showed you in another video that I ordered new acrylic color. And the last step before we reattach the limbs again and the head is that we paint a little bit over the edges that we sandpapered yesterday. Oops, I think I was a bit too far away from the camera. Now what we have here, the edges, and of course we have several black little stains in the torso which always appear because of the belt that melted inside, and when you open the seam and stuff comes out and it's really sticky and gooey. It's awful. So to make this a little disappear, we are going to paint, make some beauty corrections so that you don't see that I have repaired the doll.